Hey everyone, welcome to Redefined. I'm Charu, and today's question is one that I feel every manner, every debater, and every global citizen for that matter has asked themselves at least once in their life. Is the UN still relevant, or has it become this expensive elite club where resolutions sound nice, but reality stays untouched? Post World War was the birth of the United Nations, carrying one loud promise to the world: never again. Never again war at that scale, never again genocide, never again crimes against humanity left unanswered. But fast forward to today, what do we see? Ukraine and Russia, Israel and Gaza, Yemen and Sudan. It feels like the UN's founding promise echoes in the background but gets drowned out by the gunfire. And if this is not defeating the original purpose of the UN, then what is? Now, here is where I need to pause because, as someone who spent way too many weekends in MUN conferences passionately defending the UN, I know this is not a black and white story. The UN has changed the world. It has fed millions, it sheltered refugees, it helped eradicate smallpox, it created the SDGs, a global vision every country at least claims to change. These things don't make headlines like wars do, but they do shape lives. What's actually wrong in all of this then? The UN is slow. It's painfully slow in a world that moves faster every single day. The Security Council feels like a Cold War souvenir at this point. 5 countries with veto power deciding the fate of 193 others? That's hardly democratic. That means even if one of them doesn't like an idea, no matter how important, how urgent, or how necessary it is, it's gone. Imagine trying to stop a war and the country that started it has the power to block any action against itself. That literally doesn't make any sense. The UN's biggest strength and biggest weakness is diplomacy, because diplomacy takes time. But victims of war, they don't have that kind of luxury, and that doesn't mean the UN gets a free pass either. And let's be honest, in the midst of active wars, genocidal claims, and millions being displaced, people do have the right to ask, is the UN doing enough or just existing enough? I think when people ask, is the UN still relevant, what they're really asking is, why does it feel like nothing's changing? And honestly, I get it. When you see all that's happening around you, it's easy to lose faith. But maybe that's the mistake we make, expecting the UN to be some sort of superhero. But it wasn't built for a perfect world. It was built for this one: messy, loud, divided, and fragile. And maybe the question is not, is the UN still relevant? But maybe, how do we make sure it stays relevant in a world that's changing faster than ever? Because if the UN doesn't step up, it won't be a guardian of peace. It'll be a witness to its collapse, just a symbol, just a memory. But I'd like to believe, maybe stubbornly so, that the UN can still be more. After all, it was built on the promise: never again. And it's about time we held it accountable to that promise. Not perfect, not heroic, but present, active, and courageous. Because walking away from the table, that has never been the answer. If the UN, with all its resources, all its reach, and all its purpose, doesn't fight for peace, who will? That's it for today on Redefined. If you like it, share it. See you next time. Bye. I really hope this is the one. I really hope this is the one, because this is my third time. नहीं, बस third day trying to film this, because पहली बार तो SRH match था, my mood was off. Second time, my phone का storage just ran out because मस्त. I just finished using. I just don't even know. हो गया. The third time today. I need to upload this by today because I made a promise to myself. Okay, I'm